in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize theme code on Shopify. Let's get started. So as you get started how, the first thing you need to do is to head over to your dashboard, and then head over to your online store right here. Once you click on it, you should be able to see the theme that you have. So in here, you can see this customize option, and you can also see in here this three dots. So click on the three dots right there. Once you have clicked on that, you can see this edit code as well as the edit default theme content. So what I can recommend you to do is just head over and click on this edit code right here. And then this will open the actual code file for all your coding processes on your Shopify. So in here, you just need to look for the actual product wherein you want to actually add something. So for example, let's search in here for image banner. And in here, you should be able to see a few more things like the specific changes for this one, as well as some more descriptions. So for example, you can actually look for the specific product page or specific page right here that you want to add that into. So for example, I'll just put in here on my assets right here, which is the product form. Under this product form, I should be able to actually add it out by heading over and putting in few more things. So for example, for me, I want to add in a specific product, which is this drip that I have. So once I have added that and I've made a few changes, you can just head over and then click on the save button right here in order to successfully save this on your website. Now, once this asset is saved, you should be able to see it on your published online store. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so you could leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.